Hey y'all, and welcome. Today, I'm taking you on a virtual tour through 10 stunning celebrity homes that are sure to spark your imagination and maybe a little envy. Each space is a true reflection of its owner's unique style, and I can't wait to show you the details that make them special. From breathtaking architecture to curated art, these homes remind us that design is about creating a place that feels like you. So grab your coffee, settle in, and let's get inspired by these incredible celebrity spaces. Now let's begin our journey through these jaw-dropping celebrity homes. Stepping into Ellen DeGeneres' Beverly Hills estate, as featured in Architectural Digest, is like entering a world where sophistication and comfort blend seamlessly. This isn't just a home. It's a statement about how modern design can embrace warmth and personality. The interiors are a masterclass in modern rustic design, where sleek lines meet organic textures. Every detail, from the carefully chosen furniture to the subtle decorative accents, feels intentional and thoughtfully curated. The open-plan living spaces are bathed in natural light, thanks to expansive windows that blur the boundaries between indoors and out. Sunlight pours in, illuminating every corner and highlighting the home's stunning architectural features. Wide plank wood floors stretch across the rooms, grounding the space with their natural beauty. Neutral furnishings in soft, inviting fabrics create a calm, welcoming atmosphere that invites you to relax and unwind. Ellen's curated art collection brings a vibrant energy to the home, adding personality and pops of color to the understated palette. Each piece tells a story, reflecting her passion for creativity and self-expression. Exposed beams, reclaimed woods, and stone accents ground the home in nature, creating a sense of timelessness. These rustic touches are balanced by modern finishes, resulting in a space that feels both fresh and enduring. Step outside, and you'll find the estate's sprawling grounds, a true oasis in the heart of Beverly Hills. Lush gardens, mature trees, and multiple outdoor seating areas make it the perfect retreat for enjoying California's sunny climate or entertaining guests in style. Every outdoor space is designed to be an effortless extension of the indoors, with patios and terraces that flow naturally from the main living areas. It's a celebration of the Southern California lifestyle, where indoor and outdoor living blend together. Throughout the home, you'll discover cozy nooks and personalized spaces, like a sunlit reading corner or a rustic-inspired home office, that make the estate feel truly lived in and loved. What stands out most is how personal the home feels, a true reflection of Ellen's love for art, nature, and laid-back living. It's a space that's as welcoming to friends as it is inspiring to its owners. Ellen DeGeneres' Beverly Hills estate is proof that luxury and comfort really can go hand in hand, creating a sanctuary that's both stylish and deeply inviting. Now, let's travel north to Drake's Toronto mansion, a residence that has become almost as iconic as the superstar himself. Nestled in one of the city's most exclusive neighborhoods, this sprawling estate is a true testament to luxury living on a grand scale. The mansion made headlines worldwide for its jaw-dropping opulence and attention to detail, instantly setting a new standard for celebrity homes in Canada. Step inside, and you're greeted by a grand foyer with soaring ceilings, gleaming marble floors, and custom light fixtures that cast a warm, inviting glow. The entryway alone feels like a modern palace, blending classic elegance with futuristic design. Massive slabs of Carrara marble flow seamlessly from the floors up to the walls, creating a sleek, almost otherworldly atmosphere. The cool, polished surfaces reflect light beautifully, making every room feel open and expansive. One of the home's most jaw-dropping features is the NBA-sized indoor basketball court, a dream come true for any sports enthusiast. Outfitted with custom branding, professional-grade flooring, and a state-of-the-art sound system, it's a space where Drake and his friends can unwind or host epic games. Throughout the mansion, custom designer furniture and plush rugs soften the marble's coolness, adding warmth and comfort. Every seating area is carefully arranged to invite conversation and relaxation, making the vast spaces feel intimate. Bold, contemporary artwork and rare musical memorabilia line the walls, offering a glimpse into Drake's creative mind and deep passion for music. These personal touches make the home uniquely his. Each room is thoughtfully curated, with hand-picked decor and meaningful accents that reflect Drake's journey and achievements. From intimate lounges to grand entertaining spaces, every corner tells a story. Drake's estate is more than just a house. It's a bold statement of his success, creativity, and vision. The architecture and design choices echo his rise from humble beginnings to global superstardom. Grand, glamorous, and meticulously designed for both celebration and relaxation, Drake's Toronto mansion is a true reflection of living large in marble and style. Jennifer Aniston's Bel Air home is the epitome of California cool, a true sanctuary nestled in the hills above Los Angeles. This stunning property is a masterclass in blending timeless architecture with modern luxury, offering breathtaking views and a sense of privacy that's rare in the city. The home's mid-century modern design is immediately striking, with clean lines, expansive windows, and a palette of natural materials. Lush greenery both inside and out softens the architecture, creating a retreat that feels sophisticated yet inviting, serene yet full of life. Floor-to-ceiling glass doors flood the living spaces with sunlight and open directly onto the gardens, blurring the boundaries between indoors and out. This seamless connection to nature is at the heart of the home's design, making every room feel open and airy. Jennifer's personal style shines through in every detail, from the curated art collection to the sculptural lighting fixtures and plush, neutral-toned sofas. Each piece is carefully chosen to reflect her love of comfort and understated elegance. Step outside and you'll find manicured lawns, mature trees that provide shade and privacy, and inviting seating areas perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests. The outdoor spaces are designed for both quiet moments and lively gatherings. A sparkling pool glistens in the California sun, while a cozy fire pit invites you to unwind as the sun sets. Whether it's a summer afternoon or a cool evening, this backyard is the ultimate spot for enjoying the Southern California lifestyle. Inside, the kitchen is a chef's dream. Sleek, functional, and designed for effortless living. With minimalist cabinetry, high-end appliances, and plenty of space to gather, it's perfect for both everyday meals and entertaining friends. Jennifer Aniston's Bel Air home is truly a place where elegance and ease blend seamlessly, offering a perfect balance of comfort, style, and California charm. Kim Kardashian's Calabasas home is a masterwork of minimalist design by Axel Vervoort. The tranquil, monastic atmosphere features neutral tones, organic shapes, and a sense of calm. Custom-designed furniture with rounded edges and plush textures fills the space. Minimalist kitchens and bathrooms create a spa-like ambiance. Natural light floods the open spaces through oversized windows and skylights. Subtle textures and unique art pieces add layers of interest. Kim's home is a peaceful retreat, proof that sometimes less really is more. Robert Downey Jr.'s Hamptons Windmill House is as whimsical as it is eco-friendly. Built around a historic windmill, it boasts a unique silhouette and vibrant personality. Bold colors, quirky furnishings, and eclectic art create a fun, laid-back vibe. Sustainability shines with reclaimed woods, solar panels, and energy-efficient systems. The kitchen is charming and functional, with vintage-inspired appliances and colorful tile work. Outdoor spaces feature lush gardens and whimsical sculptures. The restored windmill is both a conversation piece and a nod to history. It's a joyful blend of old and new, quirky and responsible. Kendall Jenner's Los Angeles retreat is a perfect example of earthy elegance mixed with artistic flair. Earthy tones, plush rugs, and wood-beamed ceilings set a relaxed, welcoming tone. Kendall's art studio is a creative haven filled with natural light. Vintage accents and carefully chosen pieces add character and history. The kitchen features rustic wood cabinetry and a farmhouse sink. Outside, a private courtyard offers a tranquil escape with lush greenery. Kendall's home feels both personal and timeless. It's proof you can mix old and new, art and nature for a unique space. John Legend and Chrissy Teigen's Beverly Hills home is a celebration of family, food, and togetherness. The kitchen is spacious and warm, with rich wood cabinetry and marble countertops. Open-plan living spaces flow seamlessly, filled with plush sofas and layered rugs. Art, music, and personal mementos make the home feel truly lived in. Outdoor spaces are perfect for relaxation and entertaining, with a pool and lush landscaping. It's the perfect backdrop for family gatherings or quiet evenings under the stars. This home blends style and soul, reminding us the best homes are filled with love and laughter. Taylor Swift's Rhode Island mansion is the definition of classic New England charm. Crisp white walls, hardwood floors, and traditional furnishings evoke a sense of history. Nautical touches and large windows frame breathtaking ocean views. Living spaces are designed for comfort, with overstuffed sofas and cozy throws. Outdoor living includes expansive decks, manicured lawns, and private beach access. The kitchen blends classic and modern, perfect for gatherings. Taylor's home is welcoming, elegant, and perfectly in tune with its coastal surroundings. Leonardo DiCaprio's Palm Springs estate is a shining example of mid-century modern architecture. Built in the 1960s, it features clean lines, expansive glass walls, and an open-plan layout. Vintage furnishings and contemporary touches fill the soothing, earth-toned interiors. The backyard boasts a sparkling pool and drought-tolerant landscaping. Iconic mid-century pieces and original stonework add warmth and texture. Large sliding doors create a true indoor-outdoor flow. Leonardo's home is a celebration of design history and the beauty of the California desert. Serena Williams's Miami home is a vibrant reflection of her fearless personality and love for bold design. Striking art pieces and colorful sculptures fill the interiors, creating a dynamic atmosphere. Sleek lines and modern furnishings focus on comfort and functionality. High ceilings and expansive windows let in plenty of Florida sunshine. The kitchen is a showstopper, perfect for gatherings. Serena's personal gym and meditation room reflect her commitment to wellness. Outdoor living features a stunning pool and lush gardens. Serena's home is a fearless embrace of color, art, and individuality. Thanks for joining me on this inspiring tour of 10 unforgettable celebrity homes. I'd love to hear, which home was your favorite? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. For more decor inspiration and exclusive celebrity home tours, be sure to subscribe. Until next time, happy decorating!